If you want to transfer data from an iPhone to Samsung Galaxy S26, in order to move everything you can use the Smart Switch app that you can find on Samsung Galaxy S26. So if you open the app drawer and go to the Samsung folder, then over here you should be able to find the Smart Switch app. Of course, we need to get the same app on our iPhone. You can download it for free from the App Store. If you go to the App Store, just simply search for the Smart Switch, just type Smart Switch in here. There we go. And you should be able to find the Samsung Smart Switch mobile app. This is the one that you are looking for. In my case, I have to update it. Once it is ready to use, you should be able to grant all the necessary permissions. So we're gonna tap on Let's Go over here. You can choose how you want to transfer the data. So you have the option to use a cable or wirelessly. In my case, I'm gonna choose wirelessly and go next. And you should be able to scan a QR code. So on our S26, we should be able to choose that we want to receive on this phone, select iPhone or iPad. I'm gonna choose wireless again, and then we should be able to scan the QR code that is going to be generated in here. All right, and then we need to confirm that we want to connect both devices together. And now let's wait for the connection to be established. All right. Now here on S26, you should be able to choose whatever you want to transfer. Unfortunately, you cannot transfer apps. In the case of apps, they are built in a slightly different way on iOS compared to Android. So you will have to download your apps manually from the Google Play Store, for example. Over here, we can choose to transfer images and videos and other stuff. So of course you can uncheck whatever you don't want to transfer, and once you are ready we can tap on the transfer. Naturally, the more data you need to transfer, the longer it will take to actually move everything, so you have to keep that in mind. And also it all depends on the internet speed if you decide to use the wireless option. Alright, so now we're gonna tap on close. Over here we can of course grant the full access to your files on iPhone, although I actually transferred everything already, so I'm not sure why it is asking right now, but generally speaking it should be done at this point. So that's pretty much it. There we go, we got the transfer results. We can tap on next. There we go, we have some information of course that you can follow in order to make sure that you can transfer as much as possible. You can also find some additional instructions that might be quite helpful to use in order to navigate easily on your phone. Leave a like and subscribe.